Janhvi Kapoor walks the festive path fashionably in a beautiful muted gold anarkali designed by Mayur Girotra. Janhvi Kapoor's ensemble exuded a Mughal-inspired vintage aura. Janhvi Kapoor has long established herself as one of Bollywood's most compelling modern day fashion icons. The actress does not just wear clothes but inhabits them with a rare blend of grace and glamour. On Friday, Janhvi Kapoor shared a series of stunning snaps on Instagram, offering a closer look at a regal, old world inspired ensemble that blended heritage opulence with contemporary refinement. Designed by Mayur Girotra, Janhvi Kapoor's ensemble exuded a Mughal-inspired vintage aura. The anarkali featured a soft biggie bass that instantly highlights her glowing complexion, while the rich bronze and metallic embroidery added depth and drama. The short sleeves were densely embellished with intricate sequin work. The high neckline, framed with delicate hand embroidery, added sophistication, while the flowing silhouette below keeps the look elegant and elongated. A striking detail was the cutout at the back that added a modern twist to an otherwise traditional silhouette. The dupatta boasted an antique gold border and subtle metallic accents that further elevated the look's royal charm. The look was completed with palazzo pants embellished with the same intricate border embroidery. The actress jewelry choices anchored the outfit in full spotlight. Worthy grandeur, she wore a heavy choker necklace from Amrapali Jewels. It featured symmetrical kundan style stones set against oxidized metallic detailing. Matching earrings mirrored the same craftsmanship, completing the set was a beautifully designed Kara. Her rings from Gulicha's jewels were bold, sculptural, and statement making. Janhvi Kapoor picked a silver metallic mini bag from motifs by Surabhi Didwania. It injected a modern flourish into the otherwise sepia toned pilate footwear, as she opted for embroidered duties with beadwork. Makeup artist Sushmita Vankar complemented the look with bronzed lids, fluttery lashes, and softly contoured features. The warm brown lips and subtle highlighter brought a soft glow, while the small black bindi kept the glam rooted in tradition. Hairstylist Marcy Pedroso crafted a sleek center parted bun, clean, polished, and timeless. On the work front, Janhvi Kapoor will be next seen in the Telugu film Paddy. The movie, directed by Bucci Babu Sana, features Ram Charan as the male lead. Thank you for watching Showbiz International News. Please subscribe Showbiz International News for updating news and more informations.